Hi everyone, this is Cooking with Kurt. Today, my husband Donald and I are going to show you how to make Bringhe, which is a Filipino version of Arroz Valenciana or Paella, specifically the Kapampangan version from Pampanga.
We had this dish when we last visited the Philippines. It was so delicious and we're excited to share with you our take here. To start, we're going to show you the garnish and how to make perfectly cooked, easy to peel hard-boiled eggs. Take a small saucepan. Place 2 small eggs in it and fill it up with enough cool to room temperature tap water so that there's about ½ inch of water over the eggs. Turn on the heat to medium heat and let the water come to a boil. When the water starts to boil, immediately turn off the heat and put a lid on it. Let the eggs continue cooking for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, transfer the eggs into an ice bath. After a minute in the ice bath, carefully peel the eggs and cut them into quarters, resulting in 8 pieces. Set this aside. Take 1 small carrot, peel it and slice it into thin 2-inch long strips. Take 1 red bell pepper and slice it into thin 2-inch long strips. Separate and set aside 8 pieces of the red bell pepper for the garnish. Let 5 large pieces of banana leaves come completely to room temperature. If you're using frozen banana leaves like we are, once they reach room temperature, carefully pat them dry. The banana leaf rectangles should be big enough to cover a 9-inch round pan or cast iron skillet, around 10-inch by 15-inch rectangles. Pass these rectangles of banana leaves over a stove flame for a few seconds to soften them and make them easier to mold. This will also help sterilize them. Take a 9-inch skillet, we like to use our 9-inch cast iron skillet, and line it with 2 of the rectangles of the moldable banana leaf, crossing the banana leaves over each other so that they go all the way up the sides. Mold the leaves to the shape of the skillet so that the banana leaves overshoot the sides of the skillet a bit. Set this aside.
Now that everything's prepped, we can start making the Bringhe. Take 1½ pounds of boneless, skinless chicken pieces, we prefer thighs, and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Season with salt and pepper to taste. We add about 1½ teaspoons of salt and ½ teaspoon of ground black pepper. Mix well and set this aside. Take 2 to 3 ounces, which is about 1 link of chorizo de bilbao, or any kind of chorizo or sausage will do, and slice it into 1/4 inch thick slices. Set this aside. Take a large non-stick skillet and heat over medium-high heat. Add in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add in 1 small yellow onion minced and 2 cloves of garlic minced. Sauté for 3 minutes until they are lightly browned. Add in the chicken pieces and sauté for about 5 minutes, or until the chicken is lightly browned. Add in the pieces of chorizo and continue to sauté for another 2 minutes. When the chicken and chorizo are cooked, remove 4 pieces of chicken and 4 pieces of chorizo from the skillet and set them aside. These will be used later for the garnish. Then add in 1 cup of glutinous white rice, also called sticky rice or malagkit in Tagalog, and 1½ teaspoons of turmeric powder. Stir the rice in a bit so all the grains are coated with oil and the turmeric is evenly distributed. Add in the sliced carrots, sliced bell peppers, remembering to save 8 slices of bell peppers for the garnish, 1/3 cup of frozen peas, and 1/4 cup of black raisins. Stir these in till everything is evenly distributed. Then add low-fat coconut milk from a 13½ ounce can of coconut milk, about 1 3/4 cups of coconut milk, and 2 bay leaves. Mix again so everything is evenly distributed, and let the coconut milk come to a boil. Once it's boiling, cover with a lid and turn the heat down to low, and continue cooking for 30 minutes. During the 30 minutes of cooking time, we're going to work on the garnish. Prep the banana leaf-lined skillet by decoratively arranging the pieces of egg on the bottom of the skillet with the yellows facing down. I like to arrange them in a circle in the middle of the pan. Then evenly arrange the 8 slices of red bell pepper that had been set aside. Arrange the 4 pieces of chicken and 4 pieces of chorizo we had set aside earlier so they are evenly distributed on the bottom. Do the same thing with a handful of frozen green peas and a handful of black raisins. After 30 minutes of cooking covered on low heat, the sticky rice should be fully cooked and most of the liquid should be absorbed. It's okay if there's a little excess liquid. Turn off the heat. Remove the bay leaves. Immediately transfer the rice mixture into the banana leaf lined skillet, careful not to move the decorative garnishes at the bottom of the pan. You'll see that there will be sokarat or tutong in Tagalog, which is a crispy layer of toasted rice at the bottom of the pan. Be sure to scrape that off and add that in. Then cover the rice mixture with the 3rd prepared banana leaf. Heat the banana leaf lined skillet over medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. Cast iron pans take longer to heat up, so for us it takes closer to 10 minutes. This last step will infuse the rice with the aromatics of the banana leaf as well as form additional banana leaf infused sokarat or tutong. Turn off the heat. Let it rest in the pan for 10 minutes to cool. Remove the banana leaf on top. Then line a flat serving dish with the 4th and 5th prepared banana leaves, crossing the banana leaves over each other so that they cover the serving dish completely. Then quickly and confidently invert the bringhe onto the banana leaf lined dish so that the toasted bottom ends up on top. Peel off the 2 banana leaves that line the skillet to reveal the decorative garnish and tutong. And there it is, Kapampangan Bringhe, Filipino-style Arroz Valenciana with sticky rice cooked in coconut milk. Ang sarap.
Yum.
So good. I love the subtle aromatics from the banana leaves.
All those flavors from the chorizo, vegetables, and coconut milk really come together. So good.
Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know in the comment section below if you're planning to make this Kapampangan Bringhe. Send us pictures of your dishes on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Links below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Cooking with Kurt.
And don't forget to click on the bell so you get notified when we post new cooking videos. And for our written recipes and more, be sure to check out cookingwithkurt.com. Maraming salamat!